Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video, I'll show you a simple way on how to build a job posting and recruiting app. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then you're going to come across this platform, Glide. Glide is a platform that lets you create custom apps without coding. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Glide. You can choose to sign up with your Google or your email address. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will be directed to your Glide account. Now, creating a job posting and recruiting app in Glide is a straightforward process. Begin by navigating to the left menu on your Glide dashboard and clicking on the Templates option. This action will take you to your template page where you can view and manage your existing templates. To access the template store, click on the Template Store option. You'll then be directed to the Templates library. In the Templates library, you'll notice that templates are organized into various categories, which you can browse from the left menu. If you're looking for a specific template, you can use the search bar at the top of the page. For this tutorial, since we're aiming to create a job posting and recruiting app, we'll type job into the search bar. When the results appear, you can choose from any of the given templates. In this case, we'll select the recruiting page template. Clicking on this template will take you to another page where you'll find two options on the right side: Create this app and Preview. Click on Create this app to proceed. This will lead you to the editor where you can further customize the template. In the editor, you'll see different sections like the dashboard, companies, contracts, candidates, jobs, and schedules in the app navigation panel. You can post jobs, view candidates who have applied, recruit them for your contracts and companies, etc., by clicking on each respective section. Once you've customized the app to your satisfaction, it's time to publish it. The Publish button is located at the top right corner of the editor. Click on it to make your app public. After publishing, the Share button will appear in the same location as the Publish button. Clicking on Share will give you multiple options to distribute your app, such as through a QR code, a direct link, or by inviting users via their email addresses. And that's it. You now have a basic understanding of how to build a job posting and recruiting app in Glide. To get started, simply sign up using the first link provided in the video description. Thank you for considering this option. I hope you found this tutorial useful and learned something new. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to show your appreciation. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to comment below. I will do my best to respond to all comments and provide helpful answers. You can also watch my Glide tutorial on my YouTube channel for more understanding. Thanks for watching, and take care.